Is your Windows taskbar too big or too small? Then in this video tutorial, we will show you how to change the size of your taskbar in your Windows computer. Now in Windows 11, currently, there's no way to change the size of the taskbar. There is, however, a workaround to this. Now you can try adjusting the screen resolution and scale to resize everything on the screen, including your taskbar. Just take note that this workaround may not be right for everyone. If you wish to proceed, all you have to do is open Settings, click System, choose Display, then under Display Resolution, you can choose whether to set it in a higher resolution for smaller objects seen on the screen, or you can also choose a lower resolution. But if you're using Windows 10 and earlier, you can also try altering the size by right-clicking on the taskbar, click Unlock the taskbar to unlock it, then place a mouse cursor on the line at the top of the taskbar, then click and drag the taskbar edge up or down depending on your preference. After that, you can try some modifications, like repositioning the taskbar or hiding the taskbar and many more. Now that's how to change the size of your taskbar in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.